All right, family. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys had a phenomenal weekend. My topic for you guys today is going to be how to get into NFTs, right? Non-fungible tokens. You might have seen it on the internet. You might have heard some of your friends talking about it. So today I'm going to go ahead and dive in deep so you guys can understand what it is, how to buy it, what's going on, and how to actually lock in on this trend, even just starting out small. All right. So with no further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen. And we're going to dive into the day. Let's go ahead and dive into some NFTs. All right. First things first, if you guys want to go ahead and go to the website OpenSea.com, right? OpenSea.com. You guys can see, or OpenSea on Google, you guys are going to find it. And it's going to actually come in OpenSea.io. My apologies. And now it's going to pull you up to this page right here. Now you guys can see there's hundreds of thousands of different NFTs all around the world. So if you want to go ahead and start, you guys need to actually first know what is an NFT, right? So we can actually look at the definition so you guys can get an idea before we even started. All right, so basically NFTs right here. It's a unique cryptographic token that exists on the blockchain and it cannot be replicated, right? NFTs can be used to represent real world items like artwork and real estate. So you guys don't understand, but people are buying digital real estate right now. And when I tell you they're spending a lot of money to actually get in the game, there's big names like Atari, Smurfs. They're dumping a lot of money into the crypto world. So now is the time to start understanding what it is, get involved and take advantage before it gets crazy. So NFTs, just so you guys can see, here's a little bit of what they look like in the marketplace. There's all of these different types of work that you guys can see, whether we're looking at music, whether we're looking at trading cards. You remember Pokemon cards back in the day? Right? That little $2 card, some of those cards are selling for $1.5 million right now in the NFT space. So understand it's a very exciting topic. I'm ready to go ahead and take action with this. And here's how you guys do so. Okay. As you start going through the marketplace, there's a couple different things that you guys are going to be able to see. All right. You guys can go through and you can look at things such as collected items. Okay. You guys can go through and you can actually pull up the marketplace. And here's what it looks like. You can look at the buy now. You can look at it by auction. You can look at it by offers. And you can look at even the new ones that have just came out. So if we even go right here, let's just look at the ones that have recently been listed on the marketplace. Okay, so check this out. So buy now. These are all ones that have just recently been listed. And you're going to see some of them range from all different prices, right? 0.06. 0.001. So you guys have an idea of what some of these prices are. Let me just give you an idea so you can really understand. Okay. This little alien right here, this little face of an alien, look at how much someone is selling this for. 10 Ethereum, that comes out to $38,000 for a picture of an alien head. I don't know if you guys understand this right now. Okay. This is a whole different world. So here's how you start understanding what is going on. All right. Minted, right? This means this was the day that this was actually created. So this was created 6 days ago. Okay. Someone actually listed this for 123, sold it for 123, and now they're listing it for 10 Ethereum. So you can actually go ahead and buy these and you can list these for whatever price that you want. And as you start to look at these, you're going to notice they have views and they have favorites, right? So everyone that you guys look at, you're going to be able to notice what is the traction, what is the exposure that's actually getting picked up on each of these NFTs. Okay. So as you start to go through, you're going to start to see a couple of different things. Here's number one. Some of these have check marks. Okay. So it's kind of like Instagram. It means they're a little bit more verified. They've had a little bit more traction and exposure. Okay. Volume traded. 69 Ethereum have been traded on the Neon District Season 1 just on this item. So breaking it down, what is the floor price, right? The floor price is the lowest price that somebody's pretty much selling on this specific item, okay? 99,000 owners, and there's 1.2 million items. So to give you an idea of how many items compared to how many owners, this is how you start looking at it. All right, so let's keep going a little bit further into this. So the way you guys can actually search these is a bunch of different ways. You can look at whether it's recently listed. You can look at some of that. Let's go ahead and look at some of that recently sold. Some of you guys don't understand how real this is. Let me give you a sneak peek. Let me show you some real big boy numbers. Okay. So let's just say minimum say 5,000. Okay, so check this out. Here's how you start reading what underneath this means. Okay, some of these have offers, some of these have actually sold. So you can look at that. You can look at some of these. They have offers and they have listings. Okay, so the offers, here's where you guys can see all the offers, and you can see how many days ago the offers were made. So you guys can see people are offering 155 for this specific NFT, and you can actually go ahead and make your own offer right here. So if you want to make an offer, you go ahead and you type in what quantity you guys want to buy. You go ahead and put in your Ethereum, your expiration date for your offer, whether it's 3, 7 days, or a month, or a custom date. And then they're going to go ahead and get back to you and let you know if that actually went through. Okay, so here's an idea so you guys can actually see some of this. Top NFTs, so let me just show you guys something real quick. All right, how many of you guys know Gary V, right? You guys know who Gary V is? Let me show you how early Gary V got on this wave. The minimum floor price for Gary V's NFTs is 16 Ethereum. So if you want to know, like, yo, how much is 16 Ethereum? Let me go ahead and show that to you. 16 Ethereum, place bid. Watch this. 16 Ethereum, I don't know, that's only $62,000. That's the lowest that he's selling it for. So just to show you guys, this is real. So here's how it works. Just like the other ones, he created his own characters. Each one is listed at its own price. And if you want to look at the exact floor for what you go out and buy one right now, click on buy now. And here's what it looks like. You can go ahead and buy this simple little pea salad item, and sales end. People have different times. The minimum is $65,000 for these little stick figures. So it's crazy. This is a time where people are making a lot of money catching these waves. But just so you guys can go ahead and start, how do I get started buying some NFTs? Let me show you. So if you guys want to go to buy now, if we were to go to a minimum price, let's just say $1 to $5. Let's start out small. All right, so everything you see here is $1 to $5. So let's just go ahead and look at these. Bliss, Neon District. So minimum floor price is 0.01. All right, you guys can see the last time that somebody actually, this is what they paid for it, and this is what they're listing it for. So they're trying to double what they actually got it for. So this is how you can see the number. So if I wanted to go ahead and buy this, just so you guys can see it, you go ahead and go to buy now. All right, check out. Now you're going to have to convert this to wrapped Ethereum. So this is pretty much going to do it all for you, but it's going to go ahead and convert it. If you wanted to go ahead and do it, you've got to connect up your wallet to your phone. And once your wallet is hooked up to your phone, now you can go ahead and connect this to your Coinbase account, and everything here is going to be connected. So I actually just got, you can see my submit transaction comes to the top. You go ahead and approve that. And then it's going to go through. I don't want to actually buy it, so I'm not going to approve it, but it's going to go through the process, and you're going to actually be able to buy this specific NFT item. Okay, so if you guys want to go ahead and see what I've been able to get already, sneak peek on how you guys can really understand what you're looking at, how to navigate around what all of this means, and how to start seeing some of the bigger projects that could blow up, right? Just to see this one right now, 0.09. You can go ahead and buy this for $350, okay? And let's see, there is no other offers on it yet, but here's another thing you guys can look at. Inside the properties, each item has scarcity, right? So 36%, 2%, some have different levels of scarcity. So depending on the scarcity, this can change the level of price on the particular item. So you got to just go through, find, see what is getting a lot of views, see what's getting favorite. And you guys can even start small with a couple of dollars and start getting into the game. So, feel me? That is my training for you guys today. Any questions any of you guys want to go ahead and go over? Feel free, and the mic is yours. All right. So just so you guys can see, if you didn't believe it was real, these are the numbers that some individuals are actually making from NFTs. I know Destiny is on here, so she can actually see. Tory Lanez just put out one of the first NFT albums. He sold 1 million copies in 60 seconds. So you can go ahead and do the math. 1 million copies, $1, just made $1 million in a matter of 60 seconds. So NFTs is very real. Take action, get involved. Any of you guys need, feel free to reach out. Success is inevitable. And I will see you guys at the top because the whole squad is coming together. Let's get to work.